Mario, Bendy, Luigi, and Toad. They're all best friends, so let's go, boys. Adventures of Mario. We're gonna have so much fun. Have so much fun with all your favorite Mario characters, including one Mario character. The Adventures of Mario. La la la. Gonna get some drink for my friends. Wait, who is that? Meet me. Hey, you better get back. Meet me. Oh, God freaking dang it. Guys! I need to run to the playhouse. Come on, we need to run to the playhouse. Toad? Stay in! Oh, no! Toad, I'm coming!
Help me!
Toad, how did this happen?
I don't know. I saw a little yellow. I saw a little freaking bird.
That's the same bird I just saw on the table when I tried to get the drinks. And you ran away. Toad, let's see what I can do. All right, then pop your fit in, and there you go, Toad. You're
I
out.
don't know. It looked like it had like a orange beak.
An orange beak.
And it had like, he was like, boo.
Oh my, that's the same bird I just saw when I was trying to get the drinks. I saw him on the table, and he's like, meet, and go.
Oh yeah, what about Luigi and Bendy?
Fine. Yeah.
I know. I'm about to fall.
No! Toad, no! Oh no, Toad! Okay, I gotta jump out the window, guys! Toad! I gotta get you off!
Oh no!
No, Toad, don't! No, Toad! Okay, I need to go get him! Toad! Toad? Guys, Toad is gone! Toad?
I'm stuck!
Toad?
I'm stuck!
Toad, where are ya?
Help!
Toad?
Help!
Toad! Holy crap! Toad, how do I get you out of there?
Uh-oh! I'm on the bridge!
Oh no! Toad, no! No, Toad! I need to get him again! Toad! Are you okay? Okay, Toad, I'll bring you back in the playhouse. Oh, all right, Toad, stay in here.
Okay!
Wait, who the hell are you? I am Dr. Incredible, the brother of Dr. Olaf. Oh, are you kidding me? Not another freaking copy-ass Dr. Olaf. Oh, I want to punch you. Whoa. Mario, are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. That little stupid bastard kicked me. Yes. You know what? Let's just merge into Super Power Mario to finally defeat this little bastard. Come on, everyone. Go and merge. It's time to merge into Super Power Mario.
Haha, I'm Super Power Mario.
Ha! You think your stupid freaking merging with your friends can stop you? This is not Steven Universe. Ow! Done. Whoa. What are you doing? Are you
the one who set up, that bird that just came and just completely tied up Toad?
Yes, I did.
Well then, I'm going to kill this bird then. Look,
No! That's my only way to get in. Well, too bad. Ha! What? Alright, I'm back. Whoa, you're back? Whoa. Ah! Screw you, pesky people!
bro, shut the hell up. Travis, unmerge.
Wow, was that fun! Yeah, we finally defeated a brother of Dr. Olaf. Yes, it was a little freaking bastard anyways. And you know what? We'll just hang out and just have fun. Yeah, you may be right, Luigi. We'll just hang out.